Hi guys, we are starting with day 7 of the selected problems from InfyTQ, and we are going to solve the first problem from day 7. So the first problem states that we have to write a Python function in order to find the nearest palindrome which accepts a number and returns the nearest palindrome greater than the given number. So we have to increase the number and we have to check which next number is a palindrome and we have to return that particular number. So we have done palindrome many times, so this time I would be just doing a string check of the reverse and I would be increasing that value and I would be giving the nearest palindrome. So let's go to our PyCharm and let's just we have our day 6 here. Let's close this and let's just create a new directory as day 7. New Python file. It would be problem 33. Let's just close this and this. So we would be creating our Python function as def nearest underscore palindrome, which would be taking an input integer n, since n is the input, and we have to find out the next greatest palindrome. So we would be increasing n till we are finding a palindrome. So let's take an input as n. So while true, let's keep our loop as an infinite one. If the string of n is equal to the reverse of the string of n, that is given by double colon and -1. This is a syntax that you must remember in order to get the reverse of a string. If they both are equal, we have to return true. Otherwise, we have to increase our value of n by 1. So we would be keeping on increasing the n by 1. Suppose let's take our input as 12300. We would be keeping our increasing our input by 1, that is 12301, 12302, till we are going to 12321, which is a palindrome, and we would be getting that the string of this particular number is equal to the string of its its reverse. Then we would be returning true. So that since it's a palindrome, you can do it in other ways as we had done before. How to find out palindrome? We had done it using recursion, we had done it using iteration, we had done it using numbers. You can do it in any way you want, but I'm not repeating the same thing again and again. I'm just using a string reverse in this case. This is also another way in order to find out the palindrome. So this is it, and in order to find out the nearest palindrome, so we have written the function and we have returned true. It would not be returning true, sorry. We are not checking if it is palindrome or not. We would be returning n, which is the nearest palindrome. And let's just print our output of this particular function, that print nearest underscore palindrome. And we would be taking the input here provided is 12300, 12300. Let's run our code and let's just hope that we are getting our output as the same. Yes, we are getting 12321, which is expected as the nearest palindrome to 12300. Let's take in our input as 12331. Let's run our code. Before running our code, let's just change our parameter here, 12331. Let's run our code. 12421, which is also matching the expected output. So we have successfully written a function that is nearest palindrome. You could obviously implement it in another way, as I had mentioned in previous videos. So thanks for watching this video, guys. See you in the next one.